is a 4-pack of the essential oils, scented candles. We have here Serenity Lavender, Lavender Amber, and Sandalwood. Cleansing Sage, Sage, Citrus, and Cedar. Eucalyptus Fresh, Eucalyptus Spearmint, and Citrus. And lastly, Sea Breeze Vanilla, my favorite, Sea Salt Vanilla and Coconut. Burns 50 hours, 9-ounce candle. Love these. It's so clean, a soy wax, and handcrafted, and they smell amazing. The scent is so calm and soft, noticeable without making you choke or sneeze. Burns so clean, no smoky residue, no harsh smells, and easily blown out. Okay? Works well in bedrooms, bathrooms, or any kind of smaller spaces. These are not candles that are meant to perfume your whole house. That is a super plus for me. They are premium ingredient and they are expertly crafted. These candles create a relaxed, cozy atmosphere without trying too hard. Am I going to buy these again? Yep. Will I gift these to somebody? Yes, I like this as a gifting set as well. It's an easy yes for gifting and a solid keep in my bureau or chest in rotation candle at home. I really like these a lot. Highly recommend.